I share the idea of the recipe for dakdaritang with everyone. First, we prepare 2 chickens for chicken stew and a small potato. Boil water in the second pot. Add the chicken to it and boil it for about a minute. It's done to remove impurities. Third, take out the chicken and hang it in cold water. Fourth, put chicken potatoes in an empty pot with water and add large onions. And add a large spoonful of minced garlic, and if you don't have oligosaccharide, you can adjust the amount according to the appropriate amount and taste. You can cut the green onions into small pieces and add 2 large carrots. Then add half a cup of water, add a large slice of sesame oil, and toss it. Boil the fifth lid over hot and high heat. Boil for about 10 minutes, boil it, then reduce the heat to simmer. If you cook it properly and then make it a little thick, it will be complete. If you cook according to this recipe, you will become a master of chicken stew. All these recipe ideas are shared with everyone.